To enable or disable OTG on a Nothing phone for A or for A Pro, what you need to do is you can just simply connect your USB device to the phone, and the phone should be able to use OTG immediately. So most of the time there is no need to enable anything. However, if you connected your USB device and there is no connection, the phone doesn't connect with the device or the other way around, you can enable the improved compatibility. So to do so, first disconnect your USB device if it's still connected, open Settings, then you want to choose Connected Devices, and then open Connection Preferences. In this menu, you should be able to find Improve OTG Compatibility. So you can tap on this option to turn on the switcher actually to turn this option on, and then you can connect your USB device, and hopefully now it's going to work. Of course, you can turn it off if you don't need it anymore by yourself, or the phone is going to deactivate this option after 5 minutes if no device is connected. Leave a like and subscribe.